Wig review. Raquel Welch Spotlight or Spotlight Elite. What's the difference? Welcome aboard. Let's get into Raquel Welch from her signature collection, Spotlight. Now, she has two spotlights. There's Spotlight and there's Spotlight Elite. Spotlight Elite, there's just one difference. It's a little more expensive, but inside the cap, it is 100% hand-tied. Let me show you. This is Raquel Welch Spotlight Elite. Do you see the construction of inside the cap? That's all hand-tied. You also have the Velcros on either side with a lower connection here, Velcro for the nap. On the side, you have these wonderful, with a little bit of wire on the tabs on the side. Plus here is what's so magnificent about this wig. This large lace front that goes all the way down here to the side. It's just beautifully constructed. This is about an inch or inch and a half from the front to the back in just the lace front. And then here's a monofilament top. And let me explain what monofilament top means. That means that you can part your hair anywhere in this whole area, as well as the lace front is basically just as you see here. It's like the lace hits your crown and there's fibers coming out, so it looks even more like your own hair and your own hair growth. The one thing about the lace front, after many, many wears, is sometimes the lace front, it may lift a little bit, but it's very easy to correct. They have these wonderful wig body glues that you can just pop a little bit there, press it down, and it will stay firm the entire day. But let's get into the construction of these wigs. Even though I prefer the hand-tied, the hand-tied really is wonderful for those of you that may have very, very little hair or no hair right now, because it really kind of fits really, really snug. It does have stretchability, but it's not quite as stretchable as the cap made in the regular Spotlight selection. In fact, let me take this off and show you. Here's the way it's constructed. Many of your wigs are constructed this way. Do you see how you have this opening and there's machine stitched? This also allows for the wig itself to be a lot cooler because air actually will be flowing through. But it has the same construction as far as the Velcro in the back, the lower nap area, as well as the side, and also the lace front and the monofilament, all identical. Except this cap construction is not individually hand-tied, all the fibers. Now, you may prefer this. It's less expensive, but again, it's really a personal choice. And even though my hair, as you can see, has kind of grown back, it really has. It's thicker than actually before that I had experienced. But I still like, for me personally, I still like the hand-tied. It just gives me a feeling that's a little more of a snug fit. But let me show you what the hand-tied actually looks like as compared to the stitch. This color, of course, is Spotlight Elite, and the color is shaded cappuccino. And you know what's interesting? I've had this wig for probably a year now. It's lifting a little bit in the front, so if I was going to wear this today, I'd have to knock that down. And it's a little frizzy in the side. Remember I said sometimes the synthetic, they'll kind of stick together, but you can get those conditioning sprays and spray it, and then I'd probably get my curling iron out. Just be sure these heat-friendly fibers, you keep it the temperature between, say, 275 and 300. I would also make sure you buy your curling iron from the wig company itself. I just find if I get everything through that one pathway to wigs.com, I know that all of my tools that I'm going to be using, from shampoos to combs to curling irons, are all going to be safe for me as long as I follow the directions properly. So I actually ordered this again, and it's en route, but the same color. This is the very first time ever that I've ordered the exact same wig to duplicate it. And I think because the color, the style, everything's the same. And I always thought that the hand-tied, it just looked better on me. I'm beginning to realize, no, it's just my imagination. It's that it just feels better on me. And that's like a personal choice as far as the cap size. So thanks for joining me. I hope I helped you in your decision on getting into this wonderful world of wigs, particularly us seniors, because guess what? It's not just for these drop-dead gorgeous women that are all around us. It's good for us too. It makes us feel so good inside. And when you feel wonderful, it's like girly play. We're seniors. We've had our life. You know, we want to enjoy living and to travel and to have fun. Why not? And when you exude that joy and confidence, others are going to be just drawn to you. So have a good day. And always remember to be grateful and always kind to others. Take care.